The diesel program is a very unique program. We get students from all over Colorado. They learn everything from basic shop introduction, basic shop safety, all the way to the very end. What they do is they disassemble and reassemble one of these engines that are back there in the back. Everything in between that, electrical, hydraulics, powertrains, brakes, how to be a successful entry-level technician once they finish this program. It's a one-year program. At the end of the 1 year, you get your associate's degree, and then you're an entry-level technician once you go out in the industry. We have a 99.6% placement rate after the course is over. On April 25th, which is a Friday, it starts at 10 in the morning. It goes till 1. Some of our industry partners will be here. I will give an orientation to the program, and then the students will come out here. I'll have a set of questions for them to ask our industry partners to say, hey, you know, I want to be part of the diesel program. I love the industry. I want to be a technician. So what can your company offer me? I encourage you to come out to the open house. That way you know more about the program and how to get into the industry. So come on out. We support you. And also you get a free lunch.